This light requires no wiring and will magnetize to the base. It has a smart sensor mode and can be easily taken off the wall for an on-the-go light source. This can be used in any area of your home. You just plug it in to recharge.
Favorites. This shower caddy suctions to your wall, has a self-draining top shelf for soap, 3 shelves, and 2 hooks at the bottom for shower accessories. This drink holder suctions to your shower or bathtub and works on most container types and mugs. And these gold hooks work both inside and outside of your shower to hold extra towels or shower accessories.
Food tray sits over sofa arms to securely hold drinks and snacks, or make this a large tray that just rests nearby you on the sofa to hold a lot more items. Keep organized by placing items that easily get lost on this couch tray.
This portable lightweight stool turns into a backpack when not in use, and the main compartment of this backpack is actually a cooler that can hold all of your summer adventure items and keeps your drinks and food cold. The inside is also waterproof, making it perfect to hold wet beach towels or bathing suits.
These are not your everyday rechargeable batteries. They actually run off of USB, so you can charge these anywhere that you have a USB port and you don't have to worry about messy cords.
A portable dishwasher is the perfect solution for any home, apartment, or even RV that has one missing. It requires no hookups or installation, as you just add water to the top. And after only a 30-minute cycle, your dishes come out sparkly clean and completely dry. It even comes with a basket and has a produce mode to wash your fruits and vegetables.
First is this squeegee that works really well on removing condensation in the shower, mirrors, and windows. Second is this cute automatic trash can that's designed to fit narrow spaces.
If you're sick of seeing hair on your shower walls, this gadget suctions to your shower wall and it catches all the hair in one place, and it's super easy to clean. The hundreds of soft silicone bristles allows it to double as a foot scrubber. Keep your towels organized with these rental-friendly over-the-shower door hooks that can hang up to 4 towels. And the double-sided design of these shower curtain hooks allows you to hang or remove your shower curtain and liner easily, and the rollers allow each hook to glide over your shower curtain rod.
This is a machine washable pet epilator that can be machine washed. It can effectively remove hair, toilet paper fragments, etc. attached to clothing. You just need to throw it in when you do laundry. Reusable and easy to clean. A must-have for pet families.
I have a gadget I think you'll love. We have pizza night every Friday and we've been using this since we got it. This pizza pack is genius. Instead of storing a big box in the fridge, use this expandable pizza pack. It also has 5 microwavable plates. It keeps your pizza fresh longer, and when not in use, it collapses for easy storage. Absolute game changer in the kitchen. You can use it for so many food items like nuts. You can use it for garlic and onion. I love that the blade comes out not only for easy removal of your food, but it's also super safe to clean as well. You get 30 days of work time in just 3 hours of charge. This is a kitchen must-have.
I always hate throwing my change around the car and it being such a mess. This gadget solves that problem. You can organize all of your coins in one container, and then you can store it in your console or glove box.
Mother's Day gift ideas. This is a good quality speaker which is collapsible and can be attached to your phone or to other magnetic surfaces. It also comes with this magnetic card holder which you can hide underneath the speaker. And this hand massager needs your hand using acupressure. It also comes with this really nice finger massager.
I'm super scared of creepy crawly critters finding their way into my Stanley, so I got these super cute stoppers to solve that problem. Just place them on your straw and cover your cup whenever you aren't drinking. They are
Amazon Kitchen Fave. These fridge containers have so many features. There's a removable divider that can also be used to layer your produce, a removable basket, and bottom drainage. The pack comes with 3 different sizes, perfect for fruits and or vegetables. They are stackable and have 2 vents in the top. Linked in my Amazon shop under Kitchen Faves.
Okay, these might be 2 of my favorite kitchen gadgets of all time. First up is this apple slicer and corer, but it's not just like any other apple slicer. This one actually slices double the amount of apples as a typical slicer. And they're thinner in size, which I love because I'm constantly giving them to my toddler who has an easier time with the thinner size. And next up, this gadget is the best and easiest way to slice pineapple, hands down. You simply cut off the stem of the pineapple and then twist the device through the center and it peels, cores, and slices an entire pineapple.
This acrylic shower head is one of the world's largest with 276 nozzles and fits all standard shower fixtures. This acrylic shower organizer holds 6 bottles with space for shower accessories. This over-the-door towel rack has 6 hooks and perfect for robes too. And this hair catcher suctions to your wall and helps keep your shower clean.
Don't have access to an outlet with these rechargeable automatic motion lights. They have a touch control dimming feature and are super easy to install. You simply peel the adhesive strip on the bag and place wherever light may be needed. Their rechargeable battery has a life of up to 33 hours of use, and the motion sensor detects movement within a 10-foot range for a hands-free experience. They can also easily be taken down and used as an emergency light if you ever lose power. I have these linked for you guys in my Amazon storefront, so go check them out.
Amazon Cleaning Finds. This 7-in-1 steam mop cleans all types of floors and easily converts into a handheld steam cleaner, so you can deep clean your counters, oven, and other surfaces. Change the attachment to clean furniture, your grill, and steam clothes. This biodegradable cleaner removes hard water stains and scum built up on shower walls and seals them for months. And this Magic Broom's sleek design allows it to clean hair off carpets, clean up spills, and broken glass. It can help you pull out things stuck under furniture or appliances and can be easily cleaned.